This video will show you how to install and set up WooCommerce page in WordPress 2026. For example, here I'm first install my WordPress. Okay, you can see this is my WordPress sites, and let me show you how to install the WooCommerce. First, you need to add the plugin. Select plugin menu here and choose add plugin. After you add the plugin, just type WooCommerce here. Okay, WooCommerce like this. After you find the WooCommerce, make sure you have the WooCommerce by automatic. Just click install now. After you installing the WooCommerce, then we need to make setup to create a shop page. Just click activate first. After you activate the WooCommerce, there will be WooCommerce menu on your sidebar. Okay, you can see now it's the wizard. It's appear after you click install and activate the plugin. After that, in here you can set up your store or you can skip a guide. Actually, if you are beginner, you can set up your store. Okay, if you don't want to agree, okay, you can untick this. It's to prevent the WooCommerce share our data here. We can set up my store like this. I'm just starting my business and click continue. Okay, you can give your store name here. Okay, and what type of product. For example, this is clothing and accessories. Region, you can find your region. For example, United States. Okay, Alaska, for example, and you can opt in to receive tips, discount, and recommendation here. We can just click continue. Okay, you can see get a boost with our free features. Okay, we don't want this all. Actually, we don't want this all. Okay, we want to just set up the shop page. We can do this later. Okay, we can just click continue. Okay, you can see after the setup wizard, this is the most important. Your store is just coming soon. Okay, your store is just coming soon. You can add product here and following the wizard from WooCommerce, or we can just creating later with the product menu here. We will skip this, or you can follow if you want to using the wizard. But the first thing, if you want to set up the shop pages, you can see on the pages here. Okay, this is your pages will automatically create it. Okay, after you click the setup wizard like before. Okay, you can see there is your shop page. Okay, but there is no product here. How to set up the product? Just select products and click add new product here. For example, let's create a new product. Let's find the gallery on our desktop. For example, we need to sell the design. Okay, like this. After that, we can click set up product image. You can give the name of your product. Okay, for example, this is a banner just like this, and you can give the description and you can set the prices. Okay, for example, $100, and this is banner, and we can click publish after that. Okay, and let's see our shop pages. You can view your product. Okay, this is your product and your shop pages automatically created. You can click them and now you have a product. Okay, and to view the configuration, you can go to WooCommerce and choose settings. This is the most menu you need to know about WooCommerce. Okay, and this is your store still coming soon. You can click site visibility here. Okay, you can see there is still coming soon, and if all is done, you can make your WooCommerce live and you can click Save Change. Okay, there is a lot of menu. We will give you one by one the tutorial. This is just the setup shop page. Okay? If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.